Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy, and today's quick tip is an Adobe After Effects CC 2020. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to quickly create folders to organize the files in your project bin. To add folders in the project bin of Adobe After Effects, you can come up here to the File menu, go to New Folder. You can also come down here and click on this little folder icon right here. If I click on that, that will create a new folder. But the fast and easy way to clean up your project bin and add your files into folders is to select the files by type. I'm going to hold the Command key, that's Control on a PC. First, I'm going to select all of the comp layers and put all the comps in one folder. I have them all selected. All I need to do is just drag them right onto the folder icon, and when I let go, you will see a folder has been created and it's ready to be named. I'm just going to type in comps. To rename any folders, just select it, hit the Enter or Return key, and then just start typing out the new title. And to make it even faster and easier to clean things up in the project bin, you can sort them. I'm going to just expand this a little bit so you can see all these columns here. You can right click on them and actually customize all the columns. All you need to do though is just click one of them. It's going to sort them. I can just select these. I'm going to hold the Shift key. I'm going to drag it right onto the folder. I'm just going to start typing AI. I'll go back to the Photoshop ones. I'm just going to select it. I'm going to hold the Shift key. I'll drag it right on the folder. PS. Just like that. So the next time you need to create a folder inside of Adobe After Effects, just select the file, drag it right onto the folder, and just start typing. My name is Mike Murphy, and that is your quick tip in Adobe After Effects CC 2020. Cheers.